smells it.
How many pieces did you put in it?
All right, it's very simple to install this thing into a snack. And so today we're going to put a snack into one of the straps. All you got to do is put the snack in there, roll it up, and then tuck it back in. Now, the surrounding itself, it's all silicone. It's safe for the dogs. These detach easily to take in. All you got to do is tuck it in and start the next one. This is a very simple and very educational for your dog, and also keep them entertained too for many hours. So very simple to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.
And she's really good at playing. I don't know, she's my first dog, but she was good at playing ball, catching the ball in the air. I don't know if all dogs do that.
Well, yeah, go.
What kind of look was that? Like,